Welcome to Al-Asr English Language Academy. Dear students, today our lesson is about pronouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence to avoid repetition. Example: Ali is a good boy. He studies well. Here, he is a pronoun replacing Ali. Sana bought a dress. She loves it. Here, she replaces Sana, and it replaces a dress. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. These pronouns refer to specific people or things. Examples: singular, I, you, he, she, it. Plural, we, you, they. Example sentences: he is my best friend. We love our teacher. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example sentences: this book is mine. That house is theirs. Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point to specific things or people. Examples: this, that, these, those. Example sentences: this is my bag. Those are my books. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, what, which. Example sentences: who is calling me? Whose book is this? Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Example sentences: I hurt myself. She prepared herself for the test. Relative pronouns. These pronouns connect a clause or phrase to a noun or another pronoun. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Example sentences: the boy who won the race is my friend. This is the book that I borrowed. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to nonspecific people or things. Examples: someone, anyone, everybody, nobody, something. Example sentences: someone is knocking at the door. Everybody loves a good story. Reciprocal pronouns. These pronouns show a mutual relationship between two or more people. Examples: each other, one another. Example sentences: they love each other. The players congratulated one another. Thanks for watching.